I am not a great person like great people come, yet I am a goodly person. I am a practitioner of Shindo and Onmyodo. That's what matters. I believe in preserving the culture of the imperial race, advocating against the mixing of immigrants into Japan, fearing the dilution of the nation's heritage. I had come to a startling realization about the future that lay before me. The Garuda is a symbol of the vehicle of divine kings. Blessed of the deities is the vengeance of the righteous gods and goddesses. He will appear as an upstanding, middle-aged man of good character with great power and influence, recognizable by heterochromia and his definitive jawline. He will change the face of Japan and the East, moving the people in the right direction in accordance with natural law through true royalty under the mandate of heaven. Through the Obi-Ichi Enso and the path of Shindo, way of the heart, he will draw people closer to the moon god, Tsukuyomi no Mikoto. Japan will finally be free from the evil grip of the United Nations that currently control the country from behind the scenes. He will become the new emperor of Japan under the original foundation of Zipan and unite the lands of the East as we move into the golden age of Tsukuyomi no Mikoto, or Miroku, who is Maitreya, who also appears in the form of Amida Buddha. Thank you. I am Shigana, also known as Frankie Trainer. Hail and farewell, and blessed be.